My name is David Masere, and my occupation is a pastoralist and a conservationist. And my organization is Ilingwesi. And what we do in Ilingwesi is we are operating a tourist facility, which is a lodge. And we are also doing some other community development. And I'm also working with the Laikipia Wildlife Forum as a community liaison officer for the eastern region. What I've learned in this workshop here is that we are able to get some information on the management, on the leadership, and to me, I've really gotten some skills on how I can be able to manage that business, and also how to work with the community groups that I'm responsible of. And I think I've also admired the techniques on how to approach some of those issues. And something I can say about the whole of Laikipia, I would really want to see Laikipia becoming a destination for tourism, because that's what we feel can now replace the pastoralist life, which is becoming a very, very difficult. For the delegate from Scottish, I think they have brought very, very good approaches of which we can use them on the ground. And I'm very happy that we have interacted with them, and the way they operate there and the way we operate here is similar the same, although theirs look like they're at a higher level, of which I think if we could continue with this kind of system, then our standard will also go up, and I find very, very, very educative to us at this level.